Will you show me your setup there? And because you work out of your home, right, for the nursery?
Correct.
Okay.
Yes. Here, I'm going to give you a little tour of the daycare. Here's all our Play-Doh. We have our chalk. We have our bubbles, our shaving cream. Okay, so that would be one center. We have here, this is for our school-age children or pre-K. Everyone gets their own notebook, or binder, should I say. And I put work in it each week so that children can access their own binder and work. You could set this up at home. You could set up a binder for them where they feel like this is kind of like school. Set up a little classroom. Make them feel like it is that they are at school.
You know, that's something that Lori talked about as well, is having boxes for the children to feel a sense of ownership and the routine of going to a specific colored box. And now you have different colored binders with all of their material in there.
Exactly. So what I believe she was speaking about is different themes for either the week or the month. So I believe was saying the 5 senses. So she'll have a little bin with everything that she can use to help, facilitate the lesson.
I see you have a tree over there.
This is my wonderful tree. Each child has their own name that they put on the tree.
I hear them. It's okay. It just makes the video, I think, more like
real.
Well, yeah, and people watching are probably thinking my kids are screaming right now while I'm watching this video.
Oh yes, 100%.
I like the tree, and I like the idea that maybe parents can get inspired by some of the. I mean, I know you have all these degrees, and but the parents might get ideas, and set something up
100%.
in the house like that. I love that
100%.
tree.
And I know it sounds so silly, but we don't know how long this is going to last. It
Right.
is really important to set it up. And you know what? Even if it's a little office that they could always use, even when they're back to school.